Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I am your fitness expert. In this channel, you will learn everything about body weight, body shape, body image, body confidence, and everything that comes under the umbrella of your body, the weight, and how it affects the areas of your life, particularly your dating life, your personal life, the success and self-fulfillment in your life. Today, I have a special video. I have a beginning of a new playlist, Mom Approved. This is my mom. Her name is Yelena. Her English maybe it's not very good, so we will do kind of mix hybrid Ukrainian and I would translate to English, but she would share her insights, her wisdom on the perspective of body shape, on the weight and how it's shaping your personal life, particularly your romantic relationship and your dating life. So my mom, she is 57 years old. She's still glowing, she's still gorgeous, and she still conquers the life in her best shape. So let's begin. I will ask first in English, then I will translate it in Ukrainian, then she will answer in Ukrainian, and then I will translate to you guys in English. So, how important it is really in the dating life, your body shape and the weight when you meeting the opposite sex, particularly you are a woman and you are meeting a guy. How does it affect? Мам, скажи, будь ласочка, як це впливає, коли ти жінка, коли ти починаєш зустрічатися, або ти не так би якби шукаєш, або ти бажаєш нових відносин, і як твоя віра в себе, в твоє тіло, як ти щаслива своїми параметрами впливає на твої відносини, на партнера, якого ти до себе притягуєш?
Впливає і неабияк впливає. Тому що коли твоє тіло атлетичне, підтягнуте, струнке, як пружинка, і ти йдеш на першу зустріч з людиною, яка тобі подобається, ти впевнена в собі, ти іскришся, ти світишся, це дуже впливає. Я так вважаю. За плечима вже багато дечого, то я вважаю, що так.
So, my mom saying that it's really important the way how you shape, how your body is reflecting in the mirror, particularly in the first spot, what she's highlighting and what I highly believe, how do you relate to yourself in the mirror? So if you happy with your body shape, if you have a confidence in your shape, the way you go for a date with the guy maybe for a first time, or you just start dating, and how do you relate to yourself, this is how he sees you. If you are not happy with some body shape of yours, he would pursue you in the same way. So this is totally agree with this point. And another question, how does body weight how does the body weight resonate with the partner quality you attract? Because, for example, sometimes we would say that body positivity or imperfections, and you may settle for a different relationship, but when you elevate and when you improve your body shape, you may attract not particularly someone better, but just in a different vibration and elevated and better version for yourself. So, як саме параметри і вага впливають на якість стосунків? Тобто, коли ми в аспекті body positivity, коли ми, можливо, трішечки не погоджуємося і не є в щасливих відображеннях зі своїм тілом, ми, можливо, погоджуємось на дещо нижчі стосунки, можливо, не з ідеальним партнером, можливо, не з альфа-партнером, а яка різниця між тим, якби вже була віра в себе, в своє тіло, в свої розміри, коли ти дивишся на себе і така, вау, я супер, мені подобається, як я виглядаю. Це впливає на якість партнера, який тобі трапляється при цих двох різницях, коли як твоє тіло виглядає?
Запам'ятай, впливає. Це впливає настільки, коли ти, скажімо, 44-го розміру, а відчуваєш себе на 36-й.
Відчуваєш?
Відчуваєш.
Чи інші це теж бачать 36?
Відчуваєш, але треба, щоб інші бачили тебе. Тобто, а для того, щоб ти відчувала себе на 36-й, то треба працювати над собою. І ніколи не вірь в бодіпозитив. Зустрічають по тому, як ти приходиш, по твоєму образу, проведжають по першому враженню, яке ти склала. Правда. І бодіпозитивні це не в пріоритеті, чесно. Так.
А скажи ще один нюансик. Ти була в боді-позитивіті?
Була, я й досі з цим борюсь.
Але дуже успішно. Oh, okay, so let's translate some part of it, basically all parts. So there is a bit of sensitivity about body positivity, but I want to jump up front what we discussed in the Ukrainian as a last statement. So my mom, she is against body positivity, but she was in the shoes of a body positivity when she had an issue with her body shape since, скільки тобі було років? 14?
Коли я взялася за себе?
Так.
14-15 років я почала з того, що перестала їсти хліб, бо це була катастрофа.
Okay.
Wow.
So she had an issues with the body positivity since 14 years old. So she know the feelings, she know how the world pursue you, and she was in the state where her first dates, her first explosion of a romantic relationship was from the state of how you look. So she know exactly what does it means. She know exactly what she's saying right now. And she says that 100% do not believe in body positivity because it's damages you, damages your confidence, and damages them kind of top achievements that you can pursue even in a dating life, because there's always a magnitude what you are as a body, as a human, as a how do you feel yourself. So if you are, unfortunately, due to different circumstances, maybe your genetic, maybe the way your family had an eating habits. For example, my mom, she was in those situations where her family have different eating habits due to a hunger that her family suffer for 2 times in their life in 1931, 1933. So then they have a traumatic experience that there is a love language was an eating. So she get to the spot where she had an body positivity, if to tell this even in a soft manner, but she was in an overweight state. And it affect her dating life, it affect how confident she was in herself. And she said, right now, when I asked her, if she was already a 44 size in her dresses, but she felt like she's wearing 36, it still does not matter. You still may have the stamina of confidence, but others, the outside world, the opposite sex, the friendship, the colleagues, the I don't know, entrepreneurship, but particularly again we are talking here about romantic relationship. The guy would scan you on the way how you look, and it affects tremendously. The partner attract, which kind of partner attracts you. Of course, there is a spirituality aspect. Of course, there is how smart you are. It's important. Of course, it's important how great is your mental health, so that you are not psychopathic or something. But the first meeting, the first attitude between female and male, it's happening on a visual aspect. So if the guy is judging you by the way how you look, it's not to judge him, but if you are not happy on how you look, you just need to take the responsibility and make it work out. And this is what my mom did when she was 14. When she was in the 8th grade, she takes this into her consideration and she start to work out. She start to improve her eating habits. And when she was 14, it was quite some time ago. It was 1980s, so there wasn't any internet or dieting, etc. She was putting her puzzles together, and it took her a lot of time. So that's why it's a beautiful era we are living right now, where you can have access to the nutritionist, personal trainer, fitness expert, and get the customized plan. So this is how important it is. And let's top it up with the last question. In the beginning of dating life, it's important, of course, the way how you look, your body shape, etc. When you already in the relationship, when you already dating, does it important to keep your shape or you can relax? Тож, останнє запитання. Чи важливі параметри, твоя вага, твої форми твого тіла лише на початках відносин, чи це важливо також, коли ти вже зустрічаєшся, можливо, місяць, 2, рік, і вже можеш тоді розслабитись, тому що ви зустрічаєтесь? Є якась гарантія в цьому?
Дуже забавне запитання. Ні, ти якщо ввійшла в цей потік, ти в цьому потоці маєш іти. Ти дивися за собою, доглядай себе, пести, холи і лелій себе. Ти будеш квіткою, ти будеш притягувати погляди. А якщо розпустишся і попливеш, нічого не буде. Нічого.
Я правильно тебе розумію? Ти акцентуєш тут увагу, що в першу чергу треба робити це для себе.
Для себе. Для себе,
З любов'ю
полюби
до
себе і до тебе підтягнуться.
I know the answer. I know the answer of my mom. She is always about love. So what she's saying that at the beginning, relationship, dating, at the beginning of the source, you need to love yourself. You need to look after yourself. You need to treat yourself. And self-care is the same as a fitness, as a workout, as a eating well, as a looking after your body, because it's not only the looks and the measurements, it's also how great you look, your skin quality, your hair, your inside health and outside health. And this is what affects what kind of people come to your life, particularly your partner, your opposite sex. For women is men would come to your life, and it's no matter, you cannot be on diet just at the beginning of the dating and then drop it and feel like I can eat McDonald's every day. No, this is not how it's work. You should work out and look after yourself on a regular basis, and not because you are in a relationship and you need to keep up. First of all, you need to do it for yourself. This is a tip from my mom, and I highly state and advocate for this tip as well, because this is the number one wisdom. Everything that you need to do for yourself, not to keep or hold the partner, the career, the position, the top one model state or anything. You need to do for yourself, because you love yourself, because you care about yourself, about the way you look. You want to show up in your life as a best actress, and the best actress of your life to keep up with your health, with your body shape, with your relationship with yourself and with others, with your partner, with your family, with your colleague, and everything. And it's so related to each other, right? Правда ж?
Правда.
Правда. So,